You got the Model Y Juniper all-wheel drive version, but not the performance version, but you love the way it looks. Well, one of the things you can do to make it look like a performance version and give your Juniper a little bit more pizzazz is to put a carbon fiber spoiler on the back of your Model Y Juniper. And our friends over at EV Base has been so kind to provide us with one here to show you how to put this item on. It looks great. It actually has the extra red pinstripe here on the back, which you don't see on a lot of these spoilers. So stick around, look in the description below to see how you can get a great discount on this particular spoiler, other Tesla accessories. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you back in just a moment. So we have our carbon fiber spoiler attached to the Model Y Juniper now. What I did was put it on the back of the vehicle first, and I really just aligned it the way that I thought it should look. And as I did, started outlining it with blue tape here on both the corners, and I put tape on the top here, and I marked it here. The reason why I did that is because I'm going to remove the spoiler off the back so we can prep the area in order to take off the tape and so that it would actually adhere to the vehicle. I washed it down so it's all nice and clean. Now all we have to do is remove the spoiler and we'll start taking off the red 3M tape from there. And that should really be it. I'm gonna very carefully cut this. All right, there we go, got that one disconnected. This one disconnected. And I got this one disconnected. Don't do that. We're gonna start the red tape. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start pulling it just like this, and just enough to get it out from under. And then we're gonna start a little bit from this side. Just enough so that we can hold it up like that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the red adhesive backing here, and then we're gonna pull this off. We know our top side because our tape is still marking it. And now we're very carefully gonna put it on here, carefully aligning with the blue tape that we had here before. Making sure everything's aligned. Everything is aligned. And now I'm just gonna start pressing it in. I'm pressing in hard from both sides now, mind you. Yeah, it's not grabbing. So we're gonna put a little supplemental in there. I am putting extra tape on underneath here. I have to pull some of this stuff off. So this is extra double-sided tape I'm putting in here to help with the adhesion. I'm gonna cut this one. A little bit more for good measure. There we go. All right, let's try this again. I got more double-sided tape on there now. So we're gonna try to make sure this thing really sticks. So I'm gonna realign my marks here. Make sure everything's all lined up. Then we're gonna push in both sides. Oh, that feels much better. That actually feels pretty good. So we got it installed now. I've put extra double-sided tape on the back of the carbon fiber spoiler, in which case now it's actually holding pretty well. It's not moving around and it's pretty solidly in place. I really like the way it's holding. After you do, make sure you wait a few hours at the very least to give the time to the 3M double-sided tape to do its thing and adhere to your vehicle. It's pretty strong stuff. It's not coming off. Just make sure that everything is solid when you put it on. But it looks great. I absolutely love the way that it looks. If you like what you see here, don't forget to comment below. Let me know if you like it, especially with the red pinstripe on the back of the spoiler here. I really like that accent because a lot of spoilers that you get from a lot of different manufacturers are just a plain carbon fiber, maybe matte. This one is actually a pretty glossy one, and it has the red stripe on it. It's from our friends over at EV Base. They did an excellent job with this spoiler. So don't forget to look in the description below to see how you can get a great discount on this particular product, other Tesla accessories. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.